today's video, we will discuss how to make money with Clickbank using AI-powered YouTube Shorts. The video will start like this. Firstly, we will take a long-form video and put the link to the video in the AI tool. The tool will then create short video clips which are less than 1 minute in length, and we will upload them on YouTube Shorts. The video clips will be edited by the AI tool, so you don't have to do anything except provide the link. Your YouTube Shorts may face copyright issues because they may not align with YouTube policies. However, you don't have to worry about that because I have seen many YouTube channels with thousands of subscribers that have never received any copyright strikes. So I think that you will not get any copyright strike and you can upload them seamlessly without any issues. Even if you face any problems, I will tell you what to do in this video so you won't face any copyright or monetization issues. In this video, our main focus is not on YouTube Shorts monetization. Instead, our main focus is on affiliate marketing with Clickbank. We will discuss how to promote Clickbank products with YouTube Shorts powered by AI. Let's get started. The first step is to choose a category. For example, you can choose stock market, affiliate marketing, SEO, or anything else. I will choose business category and specifically focus on uploading content related to business podcast. Okay, the reason we are choosing a specific category is that we are going to promote Clickbank products. If we don't choose a category and keep uploading random videos without narrowing down our niche, we may face difficulties in promoting and selling affiliate products. It's important to know which niche we are working in so that we can effectively promote relevant products. Now let me show an example of YouTube channel that only uploads YouTube Shorts. The channel is called Top Business Podcast and they take clips from different YouTube channels where top entrepreneurs have been interviewed. They upload short clips from these interviews. We can do the same thing and take clips from popular videos. For example, you can see this is a popular video on the channel with more than 5 million views, and they have been taken the clips from others. If you go to the about section, you can see that the Top Business Podcast channel started in the July last year 2022 and already received more than 25 million views. This is impressive. So we will upload shorts like this channel and follow the same strategy. Now let's move on to the second step. As I'm interested in business category, I will search for business podcast on YouTube. You can search for videos related to your own interest. Once I type in business category, YouTube will show me many results. From there, I will select a video with good views, preferably a short video podcast that is around 10 to 30 minutes in length. For example, I will select this video which has a minimum length. After selecting the podcast, I will copy the link by clicking on the share button. Then I will directly jump to the AI tool which is Vidyo.AI. Okay. Once you land on the Vidyo.AI tool, the next step is to sign up. The headline of the main page is about creating short videos from longer ones. So basically you can create short videos by either uploading a video or putting the link to your YouTube videos. This service is free of charge. When you click on start for free, you will be directed to a create a new account page. You can sign up with your email address, Google, Facebook or Microsoft account. I will sign up with my Google account. Once you sign up with a Google account, you will be asked some questions about your preferences and goals for using Vidyo.AI. For example, you will be asked what profession describes you best. I will select here creator. Then you will be asked to select your team size and choose what you want to achieve with Vidyo.AI. After that, you will be redirected to the dashboard. After you land on your dashboard, you can see that you have 75 minutes of creation time. If you exceed the 75-minute limit, you will be either need to create a new account or upgrade your plan. On the dashboard, you can see that you can either paste the link of a video or upload a video from here. I will click on paste URL, but you can see that YouTube link feature is not available at the moment due to technical issues. So we have to upload the video here. To upload the video, first we will download the video from YouTube. I will go to Google and search for YouTube video downloader. Then I will click on this link and the downloader will be opened. I will then paste the link here and I will download it with 720p resolution. Let the video download. In the meantime, I will show you another tool that OpenAI has launched as an alternative to Vidyo.AI called OpenAI's Opus Clip. However, to use this tool, you need to join the waitlist. To do that, you have to put a link to any YouTube video in the box provided on the website. Then follow the registration process. This involves submitting your email address and selecting the United States as your country to get easy access. Once you join the waitlist, I hope you will get access to the tool. Okay, once the video is downloaded, we will come back to Vidyo.AI. Now we will drag and drop the downloaded video to the import bar. Then we will click on start import. button. Next, we have to choose the format of the video. We have the option to choose square, portrait and landscape formats. We will select the portrait format because that's what we need for YouTube Shorts. After that, we will click on continue. Then we have to choose at least 3 templates for our YouTube Shorts. For example, we can select templates that add subtitles to our videos. I will choose 5 cool templates. After that, I will select on continue. If you want to personalize your video, you can input your Instagram handle, YouTube handle and TikTok handle, but this is optional, so I will skip it and click on done. Now I can go back to my dashboard and wait for the video to process. It will take around 30% of the actual video time, which is about 3 to 4 minutes since the video length is 10 minutes. I will wait for the video to get rendered, processed and prepared on the dashboard. So as you can see, our video is processed and prepared. Now what we will do, we will click on a review clips to open video project. There are so many short videos that have been created with the help of AI. Let's open one of them and see how it looks. Most of these videos are less than 1 minute long, so I will select one of the short videos. I will open this one. It discusses the pros and cons of solopreneurship. The title was also generated by the AI. Now on the right hand side of the screen, you can see some icons. If you want to change any of the templates, then you can click on this button. You can see that there are a couple of templates are there. If I click on my templates, you can see that there are no templates. It is because I am using the free version, so I cannot create my own template. I will go with the default template, then click on edit and download the video. As you can see, the editor is opened and it is totally adjusted and edited by the Vidyo AI. Let's edit the text of the captions or subtitles. On the left side of the editor, you can see that there are 7 styles for the caption or subtitles. I will choose this one. If you see any mistake in the text, you can click on the editor and correct the subtitles. In the font setting, you can edit the font of the text, change the font size or even change the background of the font if required. On the left of the screen, you can see some options and from here you can change the background of the template. I will click on the background. As you can see, there is already an image there. It does not look good, so I will choose a background color instead. I will click on background color and change it to sky blue. If you want to add any additional images or videos in your short video or video clip, you can click on elements, but I will skip this. The most important thing here is the cut magic. This is the magic tool we have and it will do the magic for us. Currently it is not enabled. However, you can see that it only works for videos that are less than 3 minutes long. Now I will enable the cut magic function. The moment you play it, you will realize that the video is created exactly the way you wanted it to be, and it looks like it was created by an expert video editor. This is the power of the cut magic feature, and this is what I wanted to show you.
What are the pros and cons of building a solopreneur type business? You can do whatever the hell you want. Like some days I literally don't do anything, and it's not a joke or I'm trying to exaggerate. I don't do anything certain days. I just scroll social media, I browse Reddit, and that is kind of like part of my job to just like browse the internet and stuff like that and get ideas.
As far as I know, the video editing is done. Now we can click on download video to download this video. Since we don't have the pro version, we have to download it with the 720p resolution. Once the video is exported, it will be downloaded automatically. We will go back to project again and find another clip to edit. We will choose this one, how to make $1 million business. Once the video is opened, we will change the template of the video and choose a simple one. The next step is to give a background for the subtitles because they are not visible in some portion of the video. We will go to the font settings of the text and we will choose a black background for the subtitles. Now we will check the video and see if anything needs to be corrected.
So I did what a lot of people do when they become solopreneurs is I did consulting. So I said, okay, I've worked in healthcare tech on the sales and marketing side for a decade.
Everything seems okay. So it's time to download the video. Since we already applied the cut magic tool, we don't have to look for that now. We will click on download video and wait for a few minutes. Then we'll open our file manager and play the first video. The next step comes here is upload. As you can see, I have opened one of my YouTube channels. I started this channel 5 months ago. If you don't have a YouTube channel, you can create one easily and start publishing YouTube shorts. Here I will upload my first AI generated YouTube shorts on my channel. To upload the short, I will click on create icon and then upload video. You can also use your smartphone to upload the video. Now I will open my file manager and drag and drop the video file onto the YouTube. I will take some time to upload the video, and in the meantime I will write a title and description for the video. Although there is already a title in the title box, it is not in the correct case, so I will copy it and go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a title and description for me. me. ChatGPT will do the task for me and generate a title and description. When ChatGPT has generated a title and description, I will first copy the title and come back to YouTube and paste it into the title box. Then I will go back to ChatGPT and copy the description and come back to YouTube to paste it into the description box. Once the title and description are written, I can start writing tags for the video. Although tags are not necessary for YouTube Shorts, YouTube is a search engine, so it's better to write tags so that people can find the video through search. I can use relevant tags or tools like TuberD or vidIQ to generate tags for the video. However, for some reason my extensions are not working, so I will manually type the tags. After writing the tags, I can click on next twice and check it for copyright issues. I will wait to check if there is copyright issues or not. I will keep the video unlisted for a while and give it some time to check. Then I will click on save. For a while, when I see there is no restriction on the video, I will change the video from unlisted to public. Now I will click on publish to publish the video on YouTube. The next step is promoting my affiliate product. If your account is new and not more than 1 month old, you should not promote any links because YouTube does not allow links when just starting a channel. To put an affiliate link, I will go to Clickbank marketplace and grab a product link related to marketing. I will then shorten the link using bit.ly. After shortening the link, I will go back to YouTube and go to my video. I will not put the link in the description of the video because people rarely read description of YouTube short, because it is the basic psychology of humans that they always want things to be in a comfortable place. If I put the link in the short description, people will hardly go and click on the link. Instead, I will put the link in the comment section because people always read comment section of the shorts. Then I will write call to action text to encourage people to click on the link. To write the call to action text, I can go to Clickbank marketplace again and copy the name of the product. I will then open Bing chat and ask it to write a call to action for the product that I want to promote. When Bing generates a call to action for you, you can simply copy it, then return to the YouTube Shorts comment section and paste the call to action text. Just below the call to action, make sure to include your link. It's perfectly fine to include the affiliate link directly in the comment section of YouTube, so you won't face any issues doing so. To maximize your growth on YouTube, make sure to publish at least 5 shorts daily. These should not be too difficult for you to achieve. Here is a bonus tip. If you want to avoid copyright issues, consider editing your videos. During the Vidyo.AI tutorial, we demonstrated that you can add additional video clips and images to your content. Use these to make your videos unique and original. For instance, you could change the pitch of the audio or background music. You can even upload your video to Canva and remove the original clips, replacing them with stock footage while keeping the original sound. By making these edits, you will avoid any potential copyright issues and ensure that your content is unique. This is essential if you want to publish the same content multiple times. If you don't make any changes, you could receive a copyright strike. So make sure to edit your content and play around with the sound, images and background music. Following this tip, you can grow your presence on YouTube and even generate sales through your content, as long as you consistently provide value without spamming.